In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana on the Robinhood app. Robinhood is one of the lead investing apps. It started off with just stocks, but now you can invest in many things like crypto. And recently they've added more coins and tokens that you can invest in, one of those being Solana. Obviously, the first thing you need to do is get this app. If you haven't signed up yet, you can use the link in the description and you should be able to get a free stock. You'll need to connect your bank account or some payment method and add buying power. So right here below the chart, you'll see buying power. I only have $4 in here right now, but that's enough to play around with and show some examples for this video. If you want to add more, you can just use the deposit funds button at the bottom of the screen. So let's go back here. The next thing you can do is go to crypto here on your main page, or just tap the crypto tab, which is the second one over on the bottom of the screen. This is going to show a chart with all of your crypto holdings. It's going to list what you hold. I currently only hold Bitcoin. And then it's going to show some more options, top daily movers, and everything that you can invest in down here. In this recent tweet, they announced that you can now invest in Sol, Pepe, XRP, and ADA. So here's how to buy Solana. Just tap on Solana. It's going to show a chart and all of the information about that right here. You can see I currently don't own any. But I'm just going to tap buy, and you can buy as little as $1 on here if that's what you want to do. I'm just going to do that for this example. Tap review. It's going to give me my order details. This is going to give me 0.00457 Solana, and just swipe up to submit. Sending my order filled, done. And now if we look at my Solana position here, you can see I now own 0.00457 Solana. And as this is trading rapidly, that price is changing. But usually, because Robinhood is a pretty popular app, these cryptos will pump a little right when this is listed. So I'm guessing this was listed this morning. And now it's available for many more people to purchase and buy because there's a lot of Robinhood holders. Especially with something like Pepe, you can see right when they listed it. Many people bought into this. So right now might not be the time. You might want to wait for this to cool off a little bit, or just develop a solid dollar cost averaging strategy. And I talk about that a lot in the other videos on my channel. If I wanted to sell this, I could just tap Sol and then go through the sell button there at the bottom of the screen. But if we go back to the home screen, you can see that took $1 out of my buying power, invested that into Solana. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.